Hey, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Sublime on your machine. So I get asked a lot why I have Sublime installed. Obviously, we'll be using Xcode instead of Sublime, but I like it as a note taker. It's really nice. It's really lightweight. I can take notes for myself. Anything I need to like copy and paste that I have multiples of, I can use. It's just a really nice tool to use for general purposes. So I would recommend downloading it. I guess that's not technically required, but I suggest doing so. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So to install Sublime, go to Safari, type Sublime, and make sure it's sublimetext.com. I will also have a link in the resources section above this video. Go ahead and full screen it. And then make sure this says download for Mac. Go and click that. Hit allow. And this will begin downloading. Once it's done, hit this little arrow and double click on Sublime Text. It'll ask you if it's allowed to open it. This is just a safety precaution because you download it from the internet. This is very safe. If you want to do your own research, you're more than welcome to, but it's a very well-known app. Go ahead and hit open. And that's it. That's all you have to do. It's now open. You can type anything you want, obviously. It works great. I would recommend that if you enjoy using Sublime, you go ahead and support them by purchasing it. Technically, the free version is only for trial purposes. If you'd like to use Sublime, day to day, and you actually enjoy it, then you should purchase an actual license. It's $100 at the moment for 3 years worth of updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.